Good morning to all. In this video, we are going to learn Unit 3 Prose. Robinson Crusoe discovers a footprint. This story adapted from Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe novel. This part discovers a footprint is just one of the part of this novel Robinson Crusoe. Okay. Before move to the topic, let me know one thing. Where do we live? We live in a house. Now tell me, with whom do you live in a house? Yes, we live with grandparents, parents, brothers and sisters. Now just imagine on a rainy night, you are alone in your home and suddenly the electricity goes off. You are frightened and you went to the storeroom and light up a candle. Then you see an unknown footprint on the floor. How do you feel at the time? You feel scared, afraid and frightened, isn't it? Yes. In the same way, I am going to tell the story. Robinson Crusoe felt scared, frightened and afraid on seeing an unknown footprint. So let's begin the lesson. Robinson Crusoe's ship had been destroyed by the sea. He had been alone for many years and longed for company. One day he discovers a footprint on the sand. Let's find out what he did then. Now tell me, did he live alone or with his family? Yes, he lived alone on the island. How did you feel when you saw the footprint in the dark, scary night? You felt shocked, surprised, asked Robinson Crusoe. Let me ask one question. What did Robinson Crusoe see on a sand? Yes, it was a footprint of the man on the sand. He could clearly see it was a footprint of a man because it had toes and every part of the foot. Looking at the footprint, he was in a dilemma, which means he was confused about the footprint. He listened and looked around but could not hear or see anything. He went up and down the shore to see if there are any more footprints. He thought, is it an imagination? He stayed there for a long time thinking but became more and more confused. He decided to return home. Now tell me, how many footprints did you see? Yes, it was just one footprint. Robinson was so frightened that he looked behind every 2 to 3 steps, thinking every bush or tree to be a man. Here, frightened means afraid, fearful. Now, some of us, how do we feel when see a cockroach? We feel frightened. Now, Robinson is so frightened and ran so fast that he does not even move. Whether he used a ladder or went in by the hole in the rock which was his door. Now Robinson is in utmost attention. He had sleepless night. He became more and more scared thinking about the existence of the footprint. He thought that it could be the one of the savages at mainland who had wandered out to the sea in a small boat. Have you ever read somewhere about wild people in an ancient time who used to live in the jungles? They are known as savages. Mainland means large continuous extent of land. Wandered means to go from place to place without a definite route. Like sometimes we roam here and there without any purpose, that is wandered. Now he thought he was very lucky that he was not on the shore at that time. Suddenly he realized that what if savages would have seen his boat? He also thought that the savages would soon come with others to kill and eat him if they have seen his boat. Here savages means wild people in primitive state. Mainland large continuous extent of land. Okay. Next, as the days passed, he was much comforted and began going out to investigate. He went for about 2 to 3 days and saw nothing. So he became a little bolder. Here, bolder means more confident. He felt that no such savage exists. Robinson decided to go to the shore again and examine the footprint. He compared with his own footprint. While comparing, he observed that it could not be his footprint because he has not come to this part of the beach since a long time. And also, the footprint seemed larger than his own footprint. Upon investigation, Robinson believed that the island was inhabited. Someone else also lived on the island. Here, inhabited means lived, occupied, dwelled. Okay, now tell me, was the footprint larger or smaller than Robinson's footprint? It was larger, yes. So, this story is over. I hope you all understood this story very well. That's all. Thank you.